Hi, this is Judy Stone from Take Two Artworks, and I'm excited to share with you my most recent kitchen makeover. It's a wonderful house with an open floor plan, and the homeowner wanted to take it from the 70s and bring it to mid-modern century style. And the home already has some of those characteristics of that particular style, such as open floor plan, wonderful natural light, very linear lines and space to the kitchen. And one of the other things that the homeowner is going to do, which will really accentuate the kitchen, is open up this wall, which will open it into the living room, which has a wonderful cathedral ceiling. And it already has this very nice size island here in the center of the kitchen. We are going to make this wider and have some seating, so it really functions as the centerpiece of the kitchen. It also has some wonderful features, has a sideboard, and also this wonderful built-in bench. You don't see this very often, which is really a wonderful feature. It's highly functional. It's got a lot of style, and this has already been prepared, ready for paint. And it's all solid wood underneath. We're going to freshen it up with a beautiful gray color, with a new cushion with modern and fresh colors that will tie everything in. We are going to be replacing these existing countertops with this beautiful quartz, which has beautiful gray and white and is very fresh and really a timeless style. We're also going to be changing the backsplash to this beautiful white subway, which will be stacked with gray grout. And these, the existing doors to the cabinets, they're very linear, they're very simple, they're in beautiful condition, and it's really going to make it pop when we add the beautiful new hardware and paint them in a nice fresh white. So I'm excited about it and looking forward to this is going to be a great transformation. So looking forward to seeing you next time where we'll have the big reveal. Thank you.